Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working, and this is going to be a very quick solution, so make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to go to your Roblox account, log in, and then go to more. From here you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to account information. Now from here you're going to make sure that you have verified your age. If you see this button, then you're going to have to verify your age by submitting an ID verification so that they approve that you're above the age of 13, and that will allow you to use voice chat. Now once you do that here, you're going to go to your voice settings, so you're going to click on this button right here, and as you can see the speaker, treble, and then go to sounds. And then from here you're going to go to recording. Check the name of the microphone that you're using that is enabled, and then from there you're going to join for any game that you might like. Go to your settings once you join any game, and then from here you're going to see, after you verify your age, a button that says input device, and then you're going to click it and enable voice chat. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.